After my divorce, I was thrown into a world of uncertainty. Yes, what was I going to do? And how to start? My money from my divorce only lasted a couple of months due to rent and daily expenses. No pension fund and no income. Didn't rely on anybody. Not my children, only me and only me. But I had to find a way how to survive. Desperately searching online how to make money would help me to survive and stand on my own 2 feet. Then I found a proven program that SafePal Global helped me with. Yes, they held my hand, they encouraged me, and they motivated me, and I was not alone. Became a family and growing every single day. Was financial freedom, happiness, purpose. Got back my health and could smile again. Bottom of my heart, a big thank you to Carl, Chris, and Mario. You are outstanding people and great leaders, and you all changed my life. Thank you. I've got my freedom back. Naomi.